For this demo, let's pretend I'm a sales ops manager who needs to roll out a new pipeline stage after a recent territory update. In Salesforce, the work starts in setup. I open Object Manager, go to the opportunity object, and manage everything from here: page layouts, fields, relationships, sales processes, and record types. To support the new stage, I create or edit a sales process, choose which stages belong in it, and then tie that process to a new record type if different teams need different fields or layouts. Once that record type exists, I assign it and its page layout to the right profiles, so each team sees the version of the pipeline that matches their workflow. Next, I adjust routing. Lead assignment rules let me route based on criteria like country or source and assign to users or queues. But Salesforce doesn't offer true round-robin distribution in Sales Cloud. That requires either a third-party app or a configuration using custom fields and assignment rules, such as an auto number and mod formula to rotate leads evenly. If the new stage needs automation, I build a record trigger flow. For example, sending an email notification to the manager when an opportunity is marked closed won and tested in Flow Builder. All versions, logs, and updates live there. To finish, I review queues, assignment rules, flows, and approvals to make sure the new territory structure and pipeline stage work cleanly across all routing paths. Now let's look at how this same update is achieved in HubSpot. I go to Settings, then Objects, then Deals, open the Pipelines tab, and choose the pipeline we're updating. Pipelines and stages in HubSpot are comparable to record types and sales processes in Salesforce, but they're managed in one spot. From here, everything lives in one place: stage order, probability, conditional stage properties, required fields, and pipeline rules like restricting stage skipping or backward movement. To add the new stage, I click Add Stage, name it, set its probability, and drag it into position. I can also apply requirements to advanced stages, manage visibility, and use deal tags to help teams prioritize deals across saved views, reports, and workflows. Automations tied to deal stages can be configured right here in the same screen for a clean handoff. With the pipeline updated, let's switch to routing. I go to Automation, then to Workflows, and create a new contact-based workflow to match the recently updated territory model. The trigger is a consultation form submission, but it could have other triggers like by a property value change, a schedule, or record creation. As soon as the form is submitted, HubSpot checks the contact state or region and drops them into the correct branch: north, south, west, or a non-met fallback. Each territory branch assigns the lead to the correct account executive using the native round-robin rotate the owner action. It then sends an internal email, Slack, or Teams notification, and finally it creates a follow-up task. If no territory matches, the lead is assigned to Emily, a sales ops manager, with an alert and a task so she can investigate and manually reassign. If your business requires a more custom lead routing solution, HubSpot makes it easy to customize routing automation. Here you'll see a custom lead routing workflow live in Aptitude 8's portal. For this routing logic, we actually don't want to evenly rotate leads to reps. Rather, we want to route leads to reps based on their capacity. To do that, we have a custom coded action in the workflow that looks across a defined pool of sales reps and all open deals they each own. Then it picks the next rep to assign based on who currently has the fewest eligible deals with recency considered, and safeguards like don't give all the last ones to the same rep and include a cap of 25 deals per rep. It logs that assignment and assigns the contact along with creating and assigning the deal. And workflow extensibility isn't all about writing custom code. You can also plug in AI features for tasks, like triggering an agent to research a company for your reps, or even bringing in your own large language model directly into HubSpot. Thanks for watching. For a closer look, a side-by-side comparison chart sits below this video with the full guide linked at the bottom of the page.